Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday. I don't know the dates, pardon me, but today's Saturday and I'm just getting ready or trying to prepare for a wedding, you know, party vibes. There's always a party on Saturday, you get. But yeah, I'm just trying to get ready for a wedding. I'm trying to do my makeup, you know. A girl's gonna look good. I mean, good. And yeah, you know that I always kill it. Thank you for watching my last video. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And if you liked my previous video, I'll be giving you guys more content like that, because I feel like party vibes or outings does the magic. So yeah, more of that type of videos. Yeah, so like I said before, it's just makeup. The week has been stressful. The week has been, you know, as always. But you know, like I said, we always have to make this money now. If you don't make this money, how are we going to enjoy life? Yeah, so like I said, see you guys later. I just want to prepare. So I'm going to try and do my makeup on camera today. I told you guys I don't like to do my makeup on camera, but I'll try. I'll just do like BTS small. I'll be taking you guys along to see what I'm going to do. But yeah, bye, see you soon when makeup is almost done. But guys, these eyebrows are looking like it's not about to jig today. Hey god, they got the eyebrows done. Like, I mean, guys, this is the finished look. It's just a cute dress, simple, nothing too much, nothing too extravagant, you get. So I mean, when I stepped in looking like a snack and them ready to attack. See you guys at the wedding. Hey guys, I'm so happy to vlog. I don't know why, but yeah. So guys, see, today is the day. My brother-in-law's birthday is today, and we just came to, you know, have fun. So don't worry, I'm going to take you guys on an apartment tour. That's my cousin. She's a bad belly. Don't mind her, ignore her. But this is where we're going to be staying. This is our room. I mean, this is a little bath. The bathroom is lovely. It's nice. Yeah. That's my big sister Jessica. Oh gosh, my bedroom is big. So my guy, I've not greeted you. Very well. No, I don't like men in my vlogs. This is the, I don't know what this place is supposed to be, but it's cute. I don't like the idea, it's fine. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of our mini staycation. Will I call it staycation? Yes, now, because yeah, obviously. But I don't know, the light is flaring up so much. I think it's better this way. So ignore my cute jacket. So yeah, it's just day 2 and it's going well. And this apartment is gorgeous. Like, I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is my favorite spot. I've been on this seat like the whole day. I've done nothing. Okay, after I walked, I did nothing. But this is like, this is how cozy this place looks. I mean, and yeah, just watching YouTube, watching Diana's channel, and yeah, I mean, it's beautiful, and the mirrors are gorgeous. See, hi, but yeah, guys, to be ordered pizza. See what came inside the pizza box. Never again. I'm going to study the bonus pizza before buying it. What the hell is this? We bought 2 cartons. Hey, money wasted. Guys, we're leaving.
Have you seen your wristwatch?
Hey guys, so we're at a gallery, and the lady that took us said you can't take pictures of the artwork directly. You have to be in the pictures or in the videos. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but right now, yeah, it's a very, very cute place. White, cold, I like that. So we're just taking a tour. They have 3 floors, by the way. So yeah, I don't think I'll be able to take you guys everywhere because I don't want a station whereby somebody's telling me, oh, you can't take a video or picture or something. Guys, I ended up at the beach. Can you believe it? Like at the beach. Don't mind that boy over there. This girl is stoned. Like summer body loading. What am I saying? Please, summer has gone. Ooh. Don't come to my leg. Don't come. Don't come. Don't come. Don't come. Don't come. Don't come. Hey guys, what's up? It's Thursday, 28th of September, I guess. I think. I'm not sure. But it should be. Because I think yesterday was 27, public holiday. I was trying to use these face masks. I don't know if anybody has tried it before, but I got it at the supermarket and I feel like my skin just needed this kind of stuff, you know. I mean, I've been using the scrub, I've been using my moisturizer and all of that, but I just needed something to just peel off, like you get. So I think we're done. I'll just leave it now and just peel it off. You know, the vibes. Yeah, peel it off. I always loved peeling off marks when I see them. Especially when I was growing up. I hope it's enough and I hope it's not even too much. So maybe I don't have it. Okay guys, I just need to just check in and show you guys what skincare stuff I'm doing today. Might not be much, but yeah, it's just something I tell you I should see. Bye.
Amen.